Hi, I'm Ryan Burton, Design Estimator at CSI, and welcome to this week's edition of Fittings Friday. A processor that handles chocolate needed a way to safely move their product throughout their facility. They also had to ensure the chocolate moved at a consistent temperature to maintain proper consistency. I designed this sanitary jacketed tubing to allow heating or cooling media to flow next to the chocolate and help maintain its viscosity. With our extensive knowledge and fast delivery time, we are able to quickly provide 60 feet of customized jacketed tubing to safely move their flavorful product throughout their plant. Now the customer has peace of mind that the product integrity and delectable chocolatey flavor are protected. If I can help you with your next fittings project, give me a call at 417-831-1411 and ask for Ryan, or visit csidesigns.com.